Hello everyone, loitering munitions in general and the Lancet III in particular have emerged as the leading and revolutionary weapon of the war, wreaking havoc on Ukrainian ground military equipment. Besides the previously Iranian-supplied Shad 136 or Jaran 2 kamikaze drones, Russia's Lancet III loitering ammunition is a frightening aerial scourge for Ukrainian forces. While the Shad 136 mostly targets static targets such as military facilities or other critical infrastructure, the Lancet III is used to hunt down Ukrainian war equipment. Previously, Russia often used the older version of Lancet I before the latest upgrade last year. This drone played a crucial role by successfully disabling a large number of enemy ground platforms. Among the targets destroyed by Lancet I were various artillery systems, including howitzer cannons like M77 and FH70, as well as self-propelled cannons like the American M109, the Polish HS KUB, and the French Caesar. In early 2023, Lancet I expanded its destructive capabilities by successfully targeting the Soviet T-84 tanks and the Stormer HVM air defense system supplied by the United Kingdom. The Lancet drone has proven its capabilities in combat conditions. It is fast, silent, easy to use, capable of covering long distances, and displays high accuracy. Drones are primarily used to attack distant ground targets. Specifically, Lancet is highly autonomous and carries optical electronic systems that help it independently detect and destroy targets. Currently, the Russian army has started using the newest and largest version of this drone, namely Lancet III. The use of Lancet III is highly effective in hunting down Ukrainian military equipment, including NATO tanks in Ukraine, such as the Leopard 2A6 tank. So, how is this drone effectively hunting down and destroying Ukrainian military equipment? The Lancet III is a loitering ammunition designed and manufactured by the Izhevsk-based ZALA Aero Company, a member of the Kalashnikov business group. Lancet III, the latest model of ZALA's drone series, is also known as a suicide drone or kamikaze, has proven to be highly effective in countering Western tanks. Equipped with advanced technology and capabilities, Lancet III has emerged as a formidable weapon on the battlefield. One of the key factors contributing to the success of Lancet III is its powerful anti-tank capabilities. With its specially designed warhead, Lancet III can penetrate the armor of Western tanks, rendering them vulnerable to destruction. This capability has been particularly effective in engagements against tanks of NATO forces. Furthermore, Lancet III boasts enhanced targeting systems that enable it to accurately locate and engage enemy tanks. Equipped with state-of-the-art electro-optical guidance systems and upgraded control software, Lancet III can precisely track and strike targets with high precision. The speed and agility of Lancet III are also noteworthy. As it approaches its target, Lancet III accelerates, allowing it to swiftly close the distance and deliver a devastating blow. This combination of speed, agility, and precise targeting makes Lancet III a formidable adversary against Western tanks. The Lancet III can be deployed up to 50 kilometers in the rear of enemy formations before being activated. It comes equipped with an optoelectronic device that the operator can use to locate the target and accurately direct the ammunition towards it. In horizontal flight, the Lancet III can achieve a maximum speed of 110 kilometers per hour, while when pursuing a target, it can reach speeds of up to 300 kilometers per hour. The unmanned aerial vehicle weighs approximately 12 kilograms, and the payload consists of up to 5 kilograms of high-explosive fragmentation. It has a flight duration of approximately 1 hour. The advanced Russian Lancet III system has achieved its first successful encounter against the German-made Leopard 2 tank. This report is based on video footage shared by the Russian Ministry of Defense showing precise and effective attacks by Lancet munitions. Kalashnikov Concern, the company overseeing the ZALA Aero Group, the manufacturer and designer of the Lancet drone, has made significant changes to the explosive configuration in Lancet III. The explosive warhead of Lancet III is equipped with an anti-tank warhead specifically designed to effectively engage and penetrate the protective layers of high-value military targets such as tanks. The warhead of Lancet 3 operates on the principle of an anti-tank guided missile. This means that Lancet 3 detonates before reaching the target and launches a penetrator projectile towards the intended target. Regarding its warhead, it is important to note that the Russian Lancet drone is equipped with 3 different types of warheads: cumulative, high explosive, and thermobaric. The diverse range of these warheads enhances the flexibility of the Lancet drone, allowing it to engage various targets such as armored vehicles including heavy tanks, artillery installations, radar systems, air defense units, and enemy personnel. Additionally, it has been observed that as the Lancet 3 begins its dive towards the target, its speed increases nearly threefold. This enables Lancet 3 to impact the tank's protective layers at a speed of 186 miles per hour thanks to the special characteristics of its warhead. Furthermore, another significant improvement that enables Lancet 3 to effectively engage NATO tanks in Ukraine is its targeting capability. Lancet 3 can detect and track targets for precise attacks. Recent reports from March of this year indicate that Lancet 3 is equipped with advanced electro-optical guidance systems and updated control systems with enhanced software which contribute to achieving precise targeting. These improvements significantly enhance the control of the Lancet drone, improving not only precision but also maneuverability. There are 2 distinct models of the strike drone that belong to the Lancet family of strike drones. The Lancet 1 and the Lancet 3 have identical airframes and interior components in the same configuration. The primary difference between the 2 variants is their size, which plays a role in their respective fighting capabilities and flight performance. This is a family of scalable devices. Therefore, a more powerful Lancet drone may be developed using the same design scheme. A double X-shaped plumage aerodynamic design is used to construct the Lancet 1 and Lancet 3 versions. The Lancet's X-shaped design, similar to that of high-precision missiles, enables it to have efficient maneuverability and strike moving targets. The fact that the price of these types of drones is, in almost all cases, considerably less than that of conventional weapons is a significant advantage. The cost of launching a stationary drone will almost always be less than that of launching a high-precision projectile. Ukraine's primary defenses against Lancets and other drones are the Gepard self-propelled anti-aircraft gun and the improved 9K35 Strela 10 M4. Ukraine had approximately 159 K-35 Strela 10s, but only 50% were converted to M4s. The 33 Gepards provide infantry support and defense against this type of drone. Strela 10 missiles are economical, costing between $100,000 and $200,000, and it is the only anti-missile system with an acceptable cost-benefit ratio capable of engaging drones in Ukraine. All others are either expensive or ineffective against drones. In Ukraine, the equivalent drone is called Silent Thunder. It is still being determined whether the Switchblade drones are effective in Ukraine. In the past, the pro-Russian Donetsk militia had deemed them ineffective. The United States asserts that Ukrainians cannot operate them. Ironically, they trust the Ukrainians with an even more advanced Patriot air defense system. The United States and its NATO allies announced the donation of several sets of Switchblade 600 drones, which could eliminate larger targets than the Switchblade 300. Aerovermount, the manufacturer of Switchblade drones, has unveiled the Switchblade 300 Block 20, which improves upon the Switchblade 300 Block 10C by adding new operational features and substantial performance and capability enhancements.